Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add border to PNG in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already opened Photoshop. Then first of all, insert PNG. Go to File, Place, and open your folder. See this PNG. Press Ctrl T. Sorry. Select Press Ctrl T. Hold Shift. Then resize PNG. Then click FX Stroke. Zoom. And now see this added stroke. Change stroke color. Example is white or red as you wish. Increase the stroke size, position, center, outside, blend mode, use normal. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.